Okay, so our topic for today is all about linear function and how to illustrate linear function. So a linear function is defined by f of x is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. M and b is an element of real numbers and m is not equal to 0. And the degree of the function is 1. So itong f of x is equal to mx plus b is what we call the slope-intercept form. Okay, so that is slope-intercept form. So dapat yung given function ay maisulat mo muna sa ganitong format, and then identify the degree of the function, kung siya ba ay 1. So pag nakapasa siya doon, then the given function is a linear function. Okay, so illustrative example 1. Is the function f defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 a linear function? If yes, determine the slope m and the y-intercept b. Okay, so pakisolve muna sa inyong papel. Try nyo. Okay, so solution. Tingnan natin kung tama ang inyong sagot. So yung f of x ba, f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 ba ay nakasulat sa format ng f of x is equal to mx plus b? Yes or no? Okay, so yes. Ngayon, i-identify natin kung so f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. So nakasulat naman siya sa slope-intercept form. And i-identify na natin yung degree or yung exponent ng x. So dito, mapapansin natin na walang nakasulat or walang nakalagay na exponent sa x. So ibig sabihin, pag wala, ibig sabihin yan, 1 ang exponent niya. So the degree of the function is 1. Okay, so therefore, yung f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 is a linear function. Linear function siya. So, i-identify natin yung slope m at yung y-intercept b. Yung slope is yung letter m dito. So, katabi siya ni x. So, ang slope natin is, ang katabi ni x ay si 2. So, ang slope natin ay 2. At ang y-intercept natin na b ay yung number dito. Positive b. Dito, plus 3 siya. So, ang sagot natin dito ay positive 3. Okay?